With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So in this question it is given that pure water freezes at 273 Kelvin and 1 bar. So the addition of 34.5 gram of ethanol to 500 gram of water changes the freezing point on the solution, and use the freezing point depression constant of water as 2 kg per mole. The figures shown below represent plots of vapor pressure versus temperature T. Given molecular weight of ethanol is 46 gram per mole, among the following the option representing change in the freezing point is. So to proceed with this, first we can do the numerical part. So in the numerical part, we know that delta TF. So this is depression in freezing point. I will write down here. Depression in freezing point, which we have studied. The formula is Kf into M, where Kf will be your freezing point, depression in freezing point constant, and the value for M is your molarity of solution. So this M can be found out by M is equal to WB by MB, that is your given weight upon molecular weight of the solute, into 1000 divided by the given weight of solvent. So we have all the values over here. The solute which we are using over here is ethanol, and given weight of ethanol is 34.5 gram. Molecular weight is 46 gram into 1000, and the weight of solvent, that is water, is given out to be 500 gram. So when you put these values in this one, that is delta TF, we need to find the final temperature, right? So the final temperature delta TF is equal to Kf is given as 2 into 34.5 divided by 46 into 1000 divided by 500. When you do the calculation, it comes out to be 500. This is 2, this 2, this is 23, and we know that delta TF is equal to 273 minus TF final, that will be equal to 2 into 34.5 divided by 23. When you do the calculation, you are going to get the value for TF dash as equal to 273 minus 3. This will be equal to 270 Kelvin. Now we got the final temperature as 270 Kelvin. So we know that as temperature increases, which will imply the vapor pressure of the solution will also increase, correct? So we'll have to select the graph in which the temperature is starting from 270 to 273 and the vapor pressure is increasing with temperature. So if I see the option number first itself, so in this the temperature is starting from 270 degrees Celsius Kelvin to 273 Kelvin, in which the vapor pressure is increasing with temperature. So this will be the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.